If you think that your family can just step in and help out if something awful happens to you, then this is the bit that most people don't realise. I'm Carrie Syson and I'm the founder of Your Final Matters, and I help people to get their paperwork and their practical ducks in a row so that their family aren't left trying to figure everything out at the worst possible time. This is part of my When Life Goes Wrong series, and in this episode I'm focusing on something that catches so many families out. What actually happens if you don't have a lasting power of attorney in place? So a lot of people assume if something happens to me, then my family can just deal with things. But legally, that is not how it works. What actually happens if you lose the ability to make decisions is that no one can automatically just step in legally, not your partner and not your children. So what do they have to do? Well, they're likely going to need to apply to the Court of Protection. They're going to need to get the legal authority to act for you. And why is this a problem, I can hear you asking? Well, that process usually involves a lot of time, expensive costs, loads of paperwork, and an ongoing responsibility. And it can happen at a time when your family is under already a huge amount of pressure. So instead of being able to just pay the bills, manage the accounts, make decisions on your behalf, your family may well be waiting, applying, dealing with delays at the exact moment that they need things to be really simple. So compare that to having a lasting power of attorney where it's already in place, where the right people can already step in, decisions can be made, and things can continue smoothly. So this is one of those things that feels really easy to put off. I get that, life is here, but makes a huge difference later, because without it, your family may not be able to help you when you need it most. And powers of attorney are not just for old people. Anyone from 18 to 88 or beyond really needs to look at getting a power of attorney in place. And it's not about control. It's about making things easier for the people around you. So if this has helped you understand what happens behind the scenes, then you're already ahead of most people. This is part of my When Life Goes Wrong series. So please make sure that you watch the other episodes so it all connects and makes sense. If you found this useful, you can follow me at Your Final Matters on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe here on YouTube, and please share this with someone who just assumes that their family can deal with it. If you want extra help getting things properly set up for yourself, then that's exactly what I can help you do. You'll find more at yourfinalmatters.co.uk, because while you still have a voice, you have a choice.